Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you a super easy and delicious chocolate cake recipe at home. Let's get started. First, I add eggs in a bowl. Then I add sugar. Now I will whisk and beat them really well. Until it becomes light and creamy. Now, I add oil and mix it again properly. Next, I add flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, and a little cinnamon powder for extra flavor. Now I gently mix everything until a smooth batter is ready. Now, I pour this batter into a greased baking pan. Then I place it in the oven and bake it until it becomes soft, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. After baking, now I start layering the cake and decorate it beautifully. I add melted chocolate on top of the cake. You can decorate it with chocolate, cream, or your favorite toppings, and look at this amazing chocolate cake. So soft, so delicious, and homemade perfection if you like this recipe. It's ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.